Hello friends, I replaced the NAND flash of new iPhone 14 Pro Max to 1 TB today. Start vacuuming. Of course, the new phone can reach -20. We tear off the heat tape to test. Pressure reaches -18 because the speaker of the IP68 waterproof mobile phone has a waterproof sound permeable membrane. This waterproof and sound permeable membrane is waterproof, dustproof and sound permeable. So when we test waterproofness, we need to seal the speaker. Now let's start testing other projects. This phone has 128 GB storage. Now we start to take apart the display. Put the iPhone into the fixture. Put the fixture into the heated display removal machine. Start heating now. Count down to minutes. Heating complete. We drop the sucker. This knob has torque. Slowly lift the display. Now that the display is on, let's remove the phone. Put on a static wristband. Start tearing apart the display. The inside is very clean, no signs of demolition. Next we are going to remove the display. Put on the camera cover. Remove the screws of protective cover. Remove the protective cover. Pry open the display cable and battery cable. Remove the display. Next, start to remove the motherboard. Remove the handset. And remove the 3 screws securing the motherboard. Pry off all the cables on the motherboard. Remove the motherboard. Tear off the NAND flash protective film. Protect the motherboard with heat tape. Tear off the sponge. Remove the shock. Heat with an air gun to remove the protective cover. First remove the glue around the protective cover. Start to pry open the NAND flash. Drop a little flux, and adding low temperature tin. Use solder wick and solder pen to remove residual tin. Scrape off the vinyl with a razor blade. Then clean it with alcohol. Clean completed. Next, clean up the NAND flash. Clean up this residue on the top. Start tinning the new NAND flash. Tin at 183C is used. Blow the tin into beads with a heat gun. This is the effect after tin planting. Add flux. Put in NAND flash. After reaching the temperature, touch the NAND flash with tweezers and it will be fine if there is a feeling of rebound. Drop BGA glue around the protective cover of NAND flash chip. This is the effect after transplantation. Next, put the motherboard into the BGA glue curing equipment. Wait for the device to warm up. Then heat up. Start welding. Start keeping warm. Cool down later. It takes about 15 minutes to cool down. This whole process takes about 40 minutes. This is the motherboard after sealing and curing. Replacing the protective sticker and foam. Next we remove the remaining waterproof glue. Cleanup completed. Now let's install the motherboard. Tear off the foam behind the motherboard and replace it with a brand new one. Plug in all cables. Screw on the set screw. Tighten the screws with a torque screwdriver. Now install the front camera. Next, we will paste the original waterproof glue on it. Then put on the platen and put it into the display adhesive press. Carry out the first pressure holding of waterproof glue. We take the first layer of protective film of waterproof glue. Start install display. Put on the protective cover. Screw on. We remove the second layer of protective film of waterproof glue. Snap on display. Hold the pressure for the second time. Screw on the bottom screw. Let's test the airtightness of the phone again. Confirm whether we have restored the waterproof and dustproof performance of the mobile phone after the repair. Pressure needs to reach -20. The phone is back airtight. Restore software for phone. Phone storage has been expanded to 1 terabyte. Machines displayed as expanded storage on the detection software. Let's wipe the phone.